Namaskar. Hello and welcome to the certificate course in Konkani proficiency. I am Sneha Sabnis. We have been discussing about swar, vowels in Konkani language. We have discussed u and u vowels, the shorter u and longer vowel u. Now we shall see a and I. A, I. Now both these vowels are longer vowels. A, I. First, let's take A. First example is number 1. It means ek in Konkani. Ek. So you see here A. This is the vowel, longer vowel sound A. Ek, which is a number 1, digit 1. Next is Ekonis. Ekonis with vowel sound A. Ekonis, number 19. Now let's use number 1 and number 19, ek and एकोणीस in a sentence. माका एक पुस्तक दी. माका एक पुस्तक दी. This would mean give me a book. Book means pustak. Ek basically is here a book, which tells us that it is one book. So this is here number 1. Maka ek pustak di. Me, maka. Di is give. This is the verb here. Subject, object, and then verb. Maka ek pustak di. Now carefully listen to the vowel sound ek. A, k, ek. Now here is another example. How ek वरांचेर पावतलो. So this is a man who is speaking. How ek वरांचेर पावतलो. I will reach at 1 o'clock. So now here this is number 1. How means I. Pautalo is basically will reach. How ek varancher pautalo. Now in the first sentence, ek is used to show quantity. Ek pustak. Maka ek pustak di. And in the second sentence, it tells us time. How ek varancher pautalo. Ek varancher. So the pronunciation of the words are different. One is close sound ek, and the second sentence how ek varancher pautalo. Here ek is with open sound. So the sound here is a. How ek varancher pautalo. Maka ek pustak di. Now let's take second example. एकोणीस. हांव ताका एकोणीस दिसांनी मेळ्ळे. So here this is a girl who is speaking. हांव ताका 19 दिसांनी मेळ्ळें. I met him after 19 days. So, 19 means 19. Disani means days. One day, these. Days, disani. How taka 19 disani. So, disani has taken declension here. Disani mere. I met him after 19 days. So, mere is the verb here. How means I, and mere is the verb which means met. And 19 here with the pronunciation of A, the longer vowel sound A, which is in closed form. Closed vowel A, 19. Now we saw example of closed and open pronunciation of ek and ek. Now let's see another example, echo. Echo. If you see it is written as echo without the Ardha Chandra but pronounced as open sound echo and not echo. This means ace in the game of cards. Let's take example echo. This is a masculine noun. Echo. Echo is a masculine noun. Let's see this noun in a sentence. Echo. Patyantlo. Echo. Shenlo. The ace was lost from the pack. So pack is basically pack of cards. So echo means ace. So this is written as echo but pronounced as this. Echo. But if a loan word or English language word needs to be transliterated in Konkani, then we may use a with Ardha Chandra. We may use this. For example, application. So to write application, this is an English word application. We just need to transliterate it in Konkani. Then we shall use this a. We can also write this as application. So this will be applicable only in the case of loan words or borrowed words from other languages, basically foreign languages or European languages. After the vowel a, we shall see I. I. Example here is iron. Iron, which means anvil. Iron means anvil. Iron. The photo is provided here. You can see in the photo anvil. Now we'll see usage in a sentence. Iron hanga door. So keep the anvil or keep anvil here. Here means hanga. Anvil is iron. Keep anvil here. Keep means door. Iron anvil. Iron with longer vowel sound. I. iron. A and I. So this is here I, iron. With this, we end with the session on A and I. We saw open and close sounds of A and A, and we also saw examples of I. Now, next we shall see O in closed and open form, and we shall also see O, 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 and O. These are your references. देव बरे करो.